Klamath Lake is located in southern Oregon, USA.
Klamath Lake is the largest body of water in the state of Oregon. It's a shallow lake on an average of about 40 feet deep. Because Klamath Lake is a freshwater lake, it has 3 main inlets from 3 major riverbeds and aquifers migrating fresh filtered water from Crater Lake.
In a spectacular event that happened almost 8,000 years ago, Mount Mazama erupted to form what is now known as Crater Lake. The eruption propelled large quantities of ash and volcanic pumice skyward, so much that it covered most of the northwestern United States and Canada. However, a huge amount of this incredible mineral-rich material fell on the local mountain ranges and was eventually washed into the Klamath Basin, adding a rich layer of nutrients to the sediment of Klamath Lake.
A lot of tests and studies have been done regarding natural filtration through volcanic rock, and the bed of Klamath Lake happens to have about 40 to 42 feet of volcanic sediment.
Every year in the late spring, a blue-green algae, Aphanizomenon Flos Aquae, or AFA for short, grows wildly through Upper Klamath Lake, marking its presence with fluorescent blooms. AFA and the process Cerule uses has been documented, clinically proven, and patented. Dr. Geet Jensen, Ph.D., the chief scientist of Cerule's Scientific Advisory Board, is the inventor of Cerule's flagship product, StemEnhance Ultra, and AFA Champion.
AFA is a type of blue-green algae, and blue-green algae are microscopic organisms that have unique ways of harvesting sunlight and make energy that no other plant can do. Blue-green algae are microscopic, but they grow in colonies that are big enough to be visible by the naked eye. And when we see AFA in the lake, it looks like small, fine leaves of freshly cut grass.
Blue-green algae is one of the world's most primitive life forms and has been used for food and medicinal purposes for thousands of years. Klamath Lake provides the ideal environmental conditions for these superorganisms to flourish. Through scientific research, AFA has been proven to support the natural release of adult stem cells from bone marrow. And by releasing adult stem cells in the body, these stem cells are now available to participate in the body's natural process of tissue repair and tissue renewal.
AFA, like other blue-green algae, has anti-inflammatory properties. And unique to AFA, it also has effect on stem cells, which means it supports our natural processes of repair and rejuvenation. Stem cells are cells that naturally traffic in the body to look for organs and tissues that need repair. This is part of the natural daily upkeep in the body. If there's an injury, the whole process accelerates to repair the injury. Some types of stem cells have additional functions. Some types of stem cells are more than just building blocks that's going to fill in a crack. They are actually communicating with other cells to help them behave properly, for example, by reducing chronic inflammation. This then in turn come around and help the stem cells repair because the stem cells get confused in chronic inflammatory conditions.
Howard's vision for this wonderful product has led to state-of-the-art harvesting and extraction processes to produce pure and potent AFA extract for daily consumption. The Tulena is our pre-processing center located on the lake. This barge acts as our base of operations for the harvesters, transport boats, mini transport boats, and scout boats. As AFA is harvested, it is transferred to the barge, where the filtration and chilling process begins even before it leaves the lake. Cerule has developed customized refractive window dryers that are built in-house specifically for drying AFA to produce an extract that is 100% natural and chemical-free.
With our dryers, we're able to dry that product, keep it going, and maintain all the vitamins and proteins and everything that's good for you in the algae.
At Avalon, we do all the finished product testing, all the testing of incoming harvest material, daily shipping checks on finished product going out to customers.
Every harvest of AFA is thoroughly tested at every step of the process to ensure its safety and quality. And with patented and proprietary process, Cerule's AFA is not only safe, but the most pure and potent extract for daily consumption. With 20-plus years for scientific studies and clinical safety trials, AFA has been documented not only to be 100% safe to consume, but also as one of the greatest medical breakthroughs of our time. Cerule goes beyond standard testing protocols to ensure every bottle of product has exceeded expectation and regulatory requirements. These seasoned professionals have, for over 20 years, dedicated their lives to the harvest and production of incredible, life-changing AFA products. Cerule products are, without question, backed by scientific proof and clinical trials. They hold many patents in both production and product. Everyone can be assured that Cerule products are developed with the sole goal of enhancing everyone's quality of life. Cerule's natural products are really making an incredible statement on the world stage. Everyone can benefit from these amazing products now and in the years to come. Cerule, building extraordinary lives.